Hello and welcome to a Tamiya TT-02 Type S race build series video from RC Empire, and welcome to this super quick video of the car bashing around the track. Now, we haven't shown this car for quite a while because we've been preoccupied with the TT-01 and racing it in the Tamiya series, but it is really nice to get this car back out on the track. It is such a nice little package, especially with the Type S upgrades on it. Now, little update, we have been running this car exactly as you saw in episodes 10 and 11 for a few years now, exclusively on 3S, running with no turbo and no changes to the motor or ESC from factory stock, and it has been absolutely flawless. Not a single part has broken or stripped or needed replacing, apart from the rear diff housing, which already had a crack in it when it came to us new in the unboxing video, but we'll show you that later on. Again, this is just a little bash video to show you the car around the track, running on foam tyres, and to get more use out of this car, what we might actually do, and what we've already bought, is a 17.5 turn Hobbywing Xerun V motor, and this will mean we can run this car in the Blinky series at our local racetrack, which will be really good, and we'll be able to see how this car does against a lot higher spec cars with carbon fibre chassis and a lot more adjustability to them. So that will be really interesting, and that will probably be a project for next summer, so do watch out for that. And that's it. Do go back and watch our previous videos where we built this amazing car and all the components we've put in it to make it incredibly sharp, and we also have a few goodies on their way for this car, and they will be coming up in the future episodes, so do watch out for those. Please rate, comment and subscribe. Enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you for watching and see you soon.